A share value equivalent to $6.4098 a coin. The present reach: $6.2517, $6.4912. The earlier day close: $6.4908. The change was 0.0810, 1.25%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to Axes. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Axes to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Initially cost at $6.39. Most extreme cost $7.74, least cost $5.17. The normal for the month $6.42. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $6.39, change for December 0.0%. A share cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at $6.39. Most extreme cost $7.93, least cost $6.39. The normal for the month $7.03. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.41, change for January 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. At the outset cost at $7.41. Greatest cost $7.78, least cost $6.76. The normal for the month $7.31. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $7.27, change for February 1.9%. A share cost expectation for WAC 2024. To start with cost at $7.27. Greatest cost $7.27, least cost $5.68. The normal for the month $6.58. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $6.11, change for spring 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with cost at $6.11. Greatest cost $6.59, least cost $5.73. The normal for the month $6.15. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.16, change for April 0.8%. A share cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else cost at $6.16. Most extreme cost $6.16, least cost $4.98. The normal for the month $5.66. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $5.35, change for May 13.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. In the first place cost at $5.35. Greatest cost $5.35, least cost $4.32. The normal for the month $4.92. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.64, change for June 13.3%. A share cost expectation for July 2024. To start with cost at $4.64. Greatest cost $4.68, least cost $4.06. The normal for the month $4.44. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.37, change for July 5.8%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. At the outset cost at $4.37. Most extreme cost $4.37, least cost $3.56. The normal for the month $4.03. A share cost figure toward the month's end $3.83, change for August 12.4%. A share cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $3.83. Most extreme cost $3.83, least cost $3.12. The normal for the month $3.53. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.35, change for September 12.5%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. In the first place cost at $3.35. Greatest cost $4.16, least cost $3.35. The normal for the month $3.69. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.89, change for October 16.1%. A share cost expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $3.89. Greatest cost $3.89, least cost $3.12. The normal for the month $3.56. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.35, change for November 13.9%. Axie cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at $3.95. Most extreme cost $4.62, least cost $3.95. The normal for the month $4.21. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $4.32, change for January 9.4%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Initially cost at $4.32. Most extreme cost $5.36, least cost $4.32. The normal for the month $4.75. Axie cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.01, change for February 16.0%. Axie cost expectation for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $5.01. Most extreme cost $5.01, least cost $3.92. The normal for the month $4.54. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $4.21, change for spring 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. In the first place cost at $4.21. Greatest cost $4.21, least cost $3.58. The normal for the month $3.96. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $3.85, change for April 8.6%. Axie cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at $3.85. Greatest cost $4.78, least cost $3.85. The normal for the month $4.24. Axie cost figure toward the month's end $4.47, change for May 16.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. Before all else cost at $4.47. Greatest cost $4.53, least cost $3.93. The normal for the month $4.29. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $4.23, change for June 5.4%. Axie cost expectation for July 2026. First and foremost cost at $4.23. Greatest cost $4.23, least cost $3.30. The normal for the month $3.83. Axie cost gauge toward the month's end $3.55, change for July 16.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for August 2026. At the outset cost at $3.55. Most extreme cost $4.18, least cost $3.55. The normal for the month $3.80. Axie cost estimate toward the month's end $3.